Are you still driving without a dash cam in 2026? That could be a costly mistake. From unexpected accidents to insurance claims and even road trip memories, a good dash cam can save you thousands and protect you when it matters most. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be confusing. So in this video, I've picked the top 5 best dash cams of 2026 based on video quality, features, reliability, and value for money. Make sure you stick till the end because I'll also tell you which one is best for your specific needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. 4K plus 2K dash cam front and rear. Best budget dual dash cam. This dash cam records in 4K resolution in the front and 2K in the rear, giving you complete front and back coverage. It also comes with a pre-installed 64GB memory card, built-in GPS, and dual-band Wi-Fi. For the price, this dash cam delivers impressive performance. The footage is sharp during the day, capturing license plates and road signs clearly. The 170-degree wide-angle lens helps cover multiple lanes, which is very useful in busy traffic. Parking mode is another great feature. It continues monitoring your car even when you're away. That's especially useful in crowded parking areas. However, the night performance is decent but not exceptional, and the mobile app can sometimes feel a bit laggy. Pros: affordable price, dual recording, front and rear, GPS tracking, memory card included, wide-angle coverage. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable dual-camera setup, this is a solid choice. Number 2. REDTIGER F7N Touch. Best premium dash cam. This premium dash cam features Sony's STARVIS 2 sensor, 4K front recording, a rear camera, and a 3.18-inch touchscreen display. It also includes 128GB storage, voice control, and ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The REDTIGER really stands out when it comes to night driving. Thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor, footage in low light conditions is significantly clearer compared to most dash cams. The touchscreen interface makes navigation easy, and voice control adds convenience, especially while driving. Another highlight is the fast Wi-Fi transfer speed, which makes downloading footage to your phone quick and hassle-free. The only downside? It's a bit on the expensive side, but you're definitely getting premium quality. Pros: excellent night vision, touchscreen plus voice control, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, large included storage, premium build quality. If you want the best overall performance and features, this is easily one of the top choices in 2026. Number 3. Vantrue N2X. Best for Uber or interior recording. This dash cam records both front and inside the car, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. It includes IR night vision, HDR, GPS, and supports up to 512GB storage. The standout feature here is the interior camera with infrared night vision, which records clearly even in complete darkness. If you're driving for Uber, Lyft, or taxis, this is incredibly useful for safety and documentation. The front camera also delivers sharp footage, and the build quality feels very durable. However, it does not include a rear camera, which might be a downside for some users. Pros: interior plus front recording, excellent night vision with IR, high storage capacity, strong build quality, voice control. This is the best choice for rideshare drivers or anyone who needs cabin monitoring. Number 4. ROVE R2 4K. Best single camera dash cam. This is a 4K front-only dash cam with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi 6 support for faster connectivity. If you prefer something simple and reliable, the ROVE R2 4K is a great option. The video quality is crisp and clear, especially during the daytime. It's also very easy to install and use, which makes it perfect for beginners. The Wi-Fi 6 feature ensures faster file transfers compared to older models. But keep in mind, this is a single camera, so no rear or interior recording. Pros: sharp 4K video, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, easy to use, reliable performance. A perfect pick if you want a simple, no-fuss dash cam that just works. Number 5. BOTSLAB 4K dash cam. Best smart features, ADAS. This dashcam offers 4K front plus 2K rear recording, Sony's STARVIS sensor, GPS, and ADAS safety features like lane departure and collision warnings. What makes this dash cam unique is its smart safety system. The ADAS features can alert you if you're drifting lanes or getting too close to another vehicle, adding an extra layer of safety. The video quality is excellent, especially at night thanks to the STARVIS sensor. However, ADAS alerts can sometimes be overly sensitive, which may annoy some users. Pros: ADAS safety features, great night vision, dual recording, GPS included, free 64GB card. If you want a smart dash cam with advanced safety features, this is a great choice. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams in 2026. All the links to these products are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.